What if I told you you might be eating healthy foods, but your body isn't absorbing them properly? Yes, some foods are powerful alone, but when you combine them the right way, they become 10 times more effective. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful food combinations that can improve your digestion, immunity, energy, and overall health. Let's start with a combo you probably already eat, but maybe not correctly. 1. Carrots plus healthy fats. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in your body. But here's the catch. Vitamin A is fat-soluble. That means without fat, your body absorbs very little of it. Add olive oil, add avocado, even a few nuts. This simple trick improves nutrient absorption and supports your eye health and immunity. 2. Tomatoes plus olive oil. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to heart health. But guess what? Lycopene absorbs better with fat. That's why Mediterranean diets use tomatoes with olive oil. Even better, lightly cook the tomatoes. Cooking plus healthy fat equals maximum benefits. 3. Spinach plus vitamin C foods. Spinach has iron, but plant-based iron isn't easily absorbed. Here's the solution. Add vitamin C, squeeze lemon on spinach, add oranges, add bell peppers. Vitamin C can double iron absorption. If you feel low energy often, this combo is powerful. 4. Turmeric plus black pepper. Turmeric is famous for reducing inflammation, but alone your body absorbs very little curcumin, its active compound. Add black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption dramatically. This combo supports joint health, recovery, and overall inflammation control. 5. Yogurt plus bananas. Yogurt contains probiotics, good bacteria for your gut. Bananas contain prebiotics, food for that good bacteria. Together, they create a stronger, healthier gut environment, better digestion, better immunity, better mood. Your gut health affects everything. Healthy eating isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you combine it. Start with just one of these combos this week. If this helped you, comment which combo you'll try first, and subscribe for more simple science-backed health tips. See you in the next video.